Hi everyone, today I'm making a simple Fideo soup with salamito sausage, and for this recipe I'm going to be using a whole salamito sausage which I'm going to peel off the casing or the skin. I'm going to cut the salamito sausage in bite pieces. In a big pot in high temperature I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in which I'm going to saute the onion. Once the onion is translucent, then I add about 3 minced garlic cloves. Then I'm going to add the salamito sausage. I'm not frying the sausage because they are fully cooked and they hardly have any fat in them. Then I'm going to add about 1/2 of a cup of sofrito. You can use any sofrito you like, your favorite recipe. I'm using one that comes in a jar. I'm also adding about 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, but you can use 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Also 4 cups of chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, you can use water or any other kind of broth. About 2 potatoes cut in bite pieces. And 6 to 8 bite pieces of Caribbean pumpkin. If you have corn on the cob, cut them in small pieces and add it to the soup. Once everything is in the pot, cover and lower the temperature to medium and let it boil for about 20 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Taste for salt and add salt as necessary. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. The vegetables at this point should be fully cooked. Then I'm going to add 4 nesty Fideo noodles. Each nest should be 1 serving, so I'm adding 4 nests. I'm going to cover the pot and let it cook in low heat for about 20 additional minutes or until the noodles are fully cooked. If you find that the noodles are too thick, then add a little bit of water and let it boil for 5 additional minutes. Buen provecho! I hope you like this video and that you come back to see me again. Don't forget to click like and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for the privilege of your time. Take care of yourselves and your loved ones. I see you soon. Bye bye.